Imagine it's tax time, and instead of scrambling through bank statements, receipts, and random notes on your phone, you have everything perfectly organized. There's no stress, no overwhelm, just clarity and confidence. Sounds good, right? Hey there, I'm Chika. I'm a CPA and tax strategist, and I help creative entrepreneurs just like you take the stress out of taxes so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business and living your dream life. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate guide to organizing your business expenses so that tax filing season feels like the breeze instead of a nightmare. In this video, I'll share 3 game-changing steps to keep your expenses organized all year round. So you not only save time during tax season, but also make smarter financial decisions in your business. Let's dive in. When I first started working with business owners, I noticed a common theme. Many were making money but had no idea where it was actually going. One client told me, Chika, I feel like I make good money, but I have nothing to show for it. Help! Does that sound familiar? Organizing your expenses isn't just about preparing for taxes. It's about understanding your cash flow. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can make better business decisions, spot unnecessary spending, and even plan for bigger investments, such as hiring a team, launching new offers, or upgrading your workspace. Think of your expenses as telling a story. Are you spending in ways that align with your business goals? If not, it's time to clean things up. And I'll show you how. You need to know how to categorize expenses to avoid confusion. Think about grocery shopping. If you walked into a grocery store and every item was thrown into one big pile, how frustrating would that be? That's what happens when your business expenses are a jumbled mess. To avoid that chaos, create clear categories for your expenses. Thankfully, the IRS already has standard categories, which is perfect for you to use, especially as you are just starting off in your business. Keeping your expenses organized within these categories makes tax filing and deductions so much easier. A few examples of these categories includes travel. Travel can be flights, hotels, Uber rides. Another category is meals, business lunches, coffee with your clients, meals with your team. A third category is office expenses, things such as books, planners, software. And then lastly, another category is marketing. So under marketing can go advertising, website hosting, social media tools, things like that. And of course, there's more categories, but those are just 4 that I wanted to mention. So you get an idea of what potential expense categories you can create. So what you want to do is create these categories in your accounting system. So whether you're using QuickBooks or Wave, or if you're using a spreadsheet, if you're using Google Sheets, that's fine too. But you want to have these categories laid out. That way you're not trying to remember what every transaction was for when tax season hits. That is just too chaotic. That is too stressful. And that does not look good on you. Okay, so have the clear categories. And the third point I want to make is all about the best tools to keep you organized year round. Right now, we are in tax season. It is tax filing time, but don't just think about the months between January and March. Think about the full year. Back in the day, yep, I'll admit it, when I was in my early 20s, I had a shoebox full of receipts. I kept all of my receipts, a literal shoebox filled to the brim with receipts. But we're not doing that. We don't play those games anymore. The best way to stay organized is to use a system that works for you. You don't have to do what your business colleague is doing. You don't have to do what your business coach is doing. As long as the system you choose works for you, that's all that matters. Here are a couple of options. So first, this is the one that I prefer, which is cloud-based accounting apps. And this includes things such as QuickBooks or Wave or FreshBooks. The thing about these accounting apps is with technology, many things are automated. And so it's going to automatically track your transactions, especially if you have recurring transactions and expenses month after month after month. You'll start to see that you can manage your monthly books in 10 minutes at a time. Like it's that quick. And the thing about these accounting apps, they used to have a bad rep that, oh, accounting apps are for accountants, right? Because it back in the day, it did require a sense of having accounting education to understand how to correctly prepare financial reports. But these days, they've made it so simple that the everyday business owner can confidently use QuickBooks or Wave or FreshBooks easily, quickly, with confidence. So look into one of those. I believe Wave has a free offer. They have a free level. And so if you're going to look into accounting apps and if money is tight, maybe consider Wave to start. The second system you may consider, again, especially if you're just starting off or if you're looking to save money in the beginning, Spreadsheets, Google Sheets. You can track your income on a spreadsheet. You can track your expenses on a spreadsheet on a monthly basis, right? And remember those categories that you would want to have on that spreadsheet. So it's that easy. Whatever system you choose, it's all about consistency. Consistency is key. So set a reminder on your calendar once a week to check in on your expenses. It only takes 5 minutes. Those 5 minutes will save you hours in the long run, not to mention the stress, the frustration, the overwhelm of putting it off. We don't want that for you. Do it at least on a monthly basis. Okay? If you take just one thing from this video, let it be this. Organizing your business expenses is one of the simplest ways to gain control over your finances and lower your stress during tax time. I have a gift for you. If you want a done-for-you checklist that breaks this down even further, grab my free ultimate tax deduction checklist. It walks you through 7 write-offs every business owner should claim. I'll drop the link below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a fellow entrepreneur who needs this. Remember, staying on top of your expenses isn't about perfection. It's about creating habits that makes running your business easier and more profitable. I want you to drop a money bag emoji in the comments if you've made it this far. It'll mean so much to me if you do. Until next time, see you in the next video. Peace.